Climb inside the 2015 Ford Mustang. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Ford prioritized comfort and style by including adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and power front seats. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.